Hey, welcome to Asset Librarian. Just got a small quality of life update for this. So, if you're anything like me, you like to create kind of holding scenes where you can have an image or a little animation sitting in the background while you're doing theatre of the mind or just kind of having a bit of RP, and you don't want to just pop up an image for your place to look at and it potentially close. So, there's a new button here called Create Holding Scene, and that will create a scene. It will set the background to black, and it won't have any grids on it, and it will set the token visibility off, and it'll set the global illumination on, so the players can just view this as an image, no problem, as the scene. There is a setting that goes along with this new feature called Recycle Holding Scene. So that means we've got this scene here that we've created using the Create Holding Scene. If we go ahead and click Create Holding Scene again with the Recycle Holding Scene set on, it will just reuse that scene to place the new image in. So you won't end up with dozens of scenes just for images. You can just sit on the single one, and you can quite easily just get in there and kind of swap its image out. If the image is a drastically different size, it will readjust the size of the scene to match the new image. So, and it will also change the name of the scene as well, so you don't end up with some incongruous names. But yeah, so just a quick and easy way to chuck a holding scene on, and flick through them nice and easy. Anyway, jump on Patreon, Discord, give me your feedback and suggestions. As always, I love hearing from you. Thanks.